Hi, family. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are old and coming back, I say welcome. Thank you so much for being here today. Into this video, I am gonna be sharing my living room makeover. I am completely transforming this room today. This is our family living room because this house we have another space, but I haven't even gotten to that space yet. But I'm still focusing on really turning this space into how I want it. So today, me and my husband gonna be doing a built-in, and I'm just putting all of the cabinets in space so that way we can see how it going to look like when we start this project. But most of the work gonna be done by my husband, and when he was working on this project I was not home. Let me just say this now. So my husband forgot that I am a YouTuber, so he did not record. I don't want to say he forgot I'm a YouTuber, but he just did not remember to record because I guess this is his first time doing this work. He never done anything like this before. My husband is not a construction worker. He's not he have no idea in building, but we plan on putting this home together ourselves. So we are going to learn a lot of things as we go. Just to let you guys know that we did reach out to somebody to do this built in for us, and then when the guy came in to do the estimate for the built in, he was charging us $7,000 to do this built in, and that was just way too much money because we're trying to save as much as possible so that way we can be able to turn our home into what we love. I am really enjoying this new journey that I'm on. And if you guys have been watching me, you guys know that when I started my YouTube, I started in my other house, and then we just moved in this house, and I have all this great vision and dream and ideas that I want to be able to incorporate in this home. But also I don't want to break the bank. So most of it we're gonna be doing it ourselves, and things that are going forth. So this is when my husband was done with the built-in. He did not get me enough footage for me to share with you guys because like I said, he forgot to record because he was doing this. He work, I work, so every time he come from work he would do some of the work, and then I have to sleep because I work test shifts, so I was not really present when he was doing it. But like I said, we are working on our home by ourselves. We want to try to do as much as possible so that way we can be able to do a lot and don't have to worry about money and stuff like that. But anyway, I went ahead and started painting the cabinet because I wanted a built in, but I wanted like a white. I want everything to be white because I just love this white built in, and plus my living room is a little bit kind of dark, so I like to use white. So whatsoever space I have that kind of dark, I like to go in with white just because the white helps to brighten up the space, and also it can like make your space look really big and high end and expensive, if I do say so myself. So I went ahead and applied two coats on each on the one side of the cabinet, and also I did paint the shelf too that is on top the cabinet, just because like I said I wanted a full white built in. This took me a lot of time because I was painting and then a lot of spaces that was not complete. I had to go in and sand and then paint again. So it took me a lot of time. If I tell you my shoulder pay for it, I'm telling you, because like I said, I was working at the same time doing this, so my body was really going through it. But I'm so proud and so grateful and so excited that I can finally be able to share this process with you guys. And I'm super happy. You guys don't forget to tell my husband thank you in the comment section for doing this for me because he had never done anything like this. That's why I say I'm so proud. And originally when we was buying this house, the both of us had a plan that some of the projects that were gonna go on in this house was gonna be done by us, because we wanted this home to be personal. Like, we wanted this home to be our home. So we decided that we're gonna do things, and then things that we cannot do by ourselves, we're gonna hire people, but most of it, we're trying to do it by ourselves because we want to save up money and also want to be able to do our project as we go. So, like I said, I keep painting and painting the cabinet, and then I move on to the other side. All right, family. So this is the after of the painting process and the sanding and the whole patching and all of that. And I can finally say I love the way it turns out. And now we are getting into the favorite part of decorating. I am sharing this book with you guys. I did got this book from Home Goods, and this one Travels Home. I love these books because Amazon is also reasonable, but you can get some books like $19 and 16.99 from Home Goods. So if you are on the hunt looking for decorative books and your Hobby Lobby is doing their thing, I got this artwork from Hobby Lobby because I wanted some vintage pieces on the shelf, and I love this one. They have one of it that went viral, but I went looking for it. I couldn't find it. And then I came across this one. I did grab two of them because I love the landscape. It just made me remember back home. Um most of our places back home, that's how the landscape look like, with the trees and the hills, and I just love that. So I love for the fact that I can be able to display that on my bookshelf. And then these boxes, from the both of them came from Ross. Um the brown one with the texture on it came from Ross, and then the side by side one came from Ross. These are all decorative boxes, and the reason why I put in these up here is that I can be able to save some candles and just small things that I don't want to lose, maybe a charger or remote and stuff like that. So I want to keep them. And then I'm putting another book down here on the second shelf, and then I'm just adding this arch marble kind of travertine design stuff on the top. And then this vintage pot, I got it from Home Goods, and then when I got home I went to open the trunk to pick it up, and then it dropped, it broke, y'all. So my son tried to put it back together, so that's why you see me holding onto it, because I don't want it to fall apart. And then another artwork, this artwork I got it from the Heart and Hand collection from Target. I love this one too. I love the color. I love the just all of the texture that is showing. I just love the moody kind of color to it. And then these two candlesticks, candle stand came from Home Goods. And then this part that I love so much, I got these from Home Goods with the matching set to it. The both of them came from Home Goods, and then the baby birth that in it came from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm starting another book. So most of my books come from Home Goods. And also I do get some book from Amazon, but most of it came from Home Goods. And then I'm starting another book with this beautiful, beautiful green and white marble on the top. I got that green and white marble from Ross. You guys shouldn't sleep on Ross. This is this first portion of the shelf. I love the way it turned out. I love the way I was able to spread out the colors and just the way everything look is so pretty and I love it. I hope you guys do. And then now we move on to the other shelf. I'm using this big massive vase that I got from Home Goods. It been years and years ago and I love it. I still love it even though like I said my style is changing, but I still kept it just because I love the way it look. I just love the shape. And then I'm using another box in the corner and then with the black vessel that I got from Home Goods. You guys can tell that I love to go to Home Goods. I have to go to Home Goods once a month or twice a month. If I have one near close by that I don't have to drive 20 minutes every day, I will be there. But and then this other little part too, they came from Home Goods, and then the books. Um I got that too from Home Goods, and I love, love, love the way it look. The Art of Living. I love that book so much. It have so much inspiration into it. I love her decor. I love the way she decorate. Her style are similar to mine. And then I'm using these candlesticks that I got from Walmart. I just love the bubble shape to it, the roundness just because this fireplace is more like a box. So I try to get some stuff that have like round to it just to give the fireplace some softening to it, soften all of the edges that are going on. And then I add another picture frame of that Hobby Lobby picture frame that I love so much. And then this part, the brown part came from Home Goods, and then the four stems in it came from Hobby Lobby. And then I'm starting down this beautiful vase from Home Goods. The both of them are from Home Goods. I love these two paired together. I love for the fact the other one is so smooth and then it have like that round shape, and then the other one giving you some drama. And then I add these books, these boxes that I love so much. I have had this for almost 3 years, and I just love that black and white. And it came from Home Goods, and this green marble bowl came from Ross. If you guys haven't been shopping it from Ross, you need to check Ross out. And then this curtains that I'm showing you guys came from Amazon. I have these same color curtains in my bedroom because the curtain that was here before, that's the one I put in my bedroom. And then I got another curtain from Amazon, but I just did not like it for the fact that it was too puffy. But I like this one how it just slim up, and that's why I'm going with that. And I'm switching out this gold and silver picture frame just because that artwork do not go with the deco anymore. So I'm just switching it up and adding in this black and white one that I have had. I did make this myself. I DIY it before I even started YouTube. I started doing all of these things, and these are some of the things that really encouraged me to start my YouTube channel so that way I can be able to share with you guys like my ideas and stuff. And then this is the style of the show. I love this rug so much. I have been looking for a vintage piece rug. I'm sorry, y'all, I can't even talk. I have been looking for a vintage rug, and but they can really be expensive. But I came across this one on Wayfair and it was on sale. When I tell you that this rug is soft, it is super, super soft. I love the, oh my God. I will give you guys a close look later so you guys can see. But I love all of the colors in this. I just, because my living room is so white and black, and I wanted something to give it that statement piece, and that's the rug. I love the colors in the rug. It have like a yellow, brown, and green and cream. It's just so rich with the color. It giving you some red, some blue. Like I said, I love this rug. If I can buy this and put it everywhere in my house, I will. That's how much I love this rug. Because we remove all of the furniture to clean out everything, we just bring in everything back. I didn't want it to bore you guys with that process. You guys have seen me removing my chair. I don't know how many times with the living room makeover. And now I'm bringing in that my big vase just to cover all that space. I do have some stuff between the chairs. I'm looking for like a big basket to hide all of my Wi-Fi box in it. And then now I'm just using these pillows that I have. But for the fall, I will change it. But now I'm just spicing up my living room a little bit. I just want to give it some fall vibe. I'm not really decorating for fall, but it's just like a pre-fall without the pumpkin and all of the fall things. But I will definitely be decorating this space for fall. So do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I would love you to do so to join this family. And sorry if I didn't introduce myself. My name is Oforiwa. I am a mom of 4 kids and a wife, and I love to decorate and give you all of the lifestyle. I love to shop for affordable home decor just to make my home beautiful. So if that's something you are interested in, I would love you to subscribe. I would love you to hit that like button and that notification bell so you don't miss one ever, because this fall I have a lot of content that will be coming your way. And also I am decorating this space and just putting it together for you guys. But also my husband, this month my husband gonna be turning 50, and we throwing him some 50 years birthday party in our house, outside though, in the backyard. So I just wanted to make our home so beautiful and welcoming for our family that gonna be coming from out of state and also just from around us, to just come together and have fun and celebrate him. My husband, he's somebody that is so loving. Whenever somebody come around me, my family come around, he show them so much love. Everywhere we go, my husband is just so humble, and I really feel like I have to celebrate him and give him his flower. But anyway, that's the overview of how everything turns out. And also don't forget to follow my like to know it, my LTK. I'm gonna link it in the description box, and anything you see in this video will be linked if it is linkable. But anything that you go looking for and you don't find, please let me know. I will definitely send you the link. All right, family. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate you guys and I love you guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.